That sounds really good.
They rip like that on the
Air conditioning still works.
Windows open. Oh, it's gonna work. We can only hope.
Run into the bumper.
Don't back up and hit me.
Yeah, just go.
Thanks, man. Sorry, man. It didn't lock in the first time.
Not bad at all.
Well, that's not that big of a dent. That's about the size of all of